What if you could build an online business that pays you daily, even while you sleep, using just your smartphone and a couple of hours a day? A system so simple it feels like cheating, but it's not. It's the future of work. We see you, the exhausted professional, the overworked VA, the parent juggling a million things. The person with ADHD trying to find focus. You've been told that making real money online requires complex skills, a huge budget, and all your waking hours. That's the old way. We're here to show you the new way. We weren't always living this life. We were you. Trapped in the 9-5 grind, trading our time for money and feeling like we were missing out on life. We knew there had to be a better way. So we went searching, and after a lot of trial and error, we didn't just find a way out. We built one. We planted our first money tree on this very beach, and it changed everything. We call it the money tree. It's a metaphor, but it's also a powerful mindset shift. You plant the seeds once by setting up a simple AI-powered system. Then you nurture it for just 1 to 2 focused hours a day. And the best part? It grows daily, producing income for you around the clock, even while you're asleep. This isn't about trading hours for dollars. It's about building an asset that works for you. So how does it actually work? It's a plug-and-play system built on 3 core pillars. First, done-for-you funnels. You don't need to be a tech genius. We give you the high-converting funnels that are already proven to work. You just plug them in. Second, organic-first strategies. Forget spending thousands on ads. We teach you how to attract your ideal customers for free. This makes it beginner-friendly and scalable. You can add ads later, but you don't need them to start earning. And third, the secret sauce. Simple, AI-powered systems. We leverage the power of AI to do the heavy lifting. In fact, when you get our free blueprint, we'll give you our own white-labeled viral content writer bot. It helps you create content that gets attention so you can focus on connecting with people, not just creating posts. This system is designed for real people with real lives. If you're a professional, this is your escape plan. If you're a VA, this is how you multiply your income without taking on more clients. If you have ADHD, the structure and simplicity of this system will be a game changer. And if you're looking at retirement, this is how you build an income stream that secures your future and lets you truly enjoy it. We've shown you what's possible. Now, we want to give you the keys. We've put together a free blueprint that maps out this entire system. It's called the Freedom Franchise Blueprint, and it's yours today. All you have to do is click the link in the description. When you do, you're not just getting a blueprint, you're getting our entire bonus stack valued at over $46,000. This includes free OfferLab access to build your money tree, our bonus ChatGPT viral content writer, Russell Brunson's 4 ways to earn training, the 46K plus triple VIP bonus stack with mentorship and automation tools, and a 7-part bonus mini course to map your 9-to-5 exit strategy. Look, if we can build this under a coconut tree, you can build this from your couch, your kitchen table, or wherever you are right now. This is your chance to stop trading time for money and start building a life of freedom. The system is here. The tools are here. The support is here. The only question is, are you ready to plant your money tree? Click the link in the description and let's get started.